Lighting. Lighting or light is one of the few constants of our lives. It shows in many different forms, colours and contexts. Let's talk about natural lighting. Windows are your best friend when finding the best lighting for videos indoors during the daytime. If you find that it's a bright sunny day outside, it's best to wait until it's a little bit cloudy, as these clouds will diffuse your lighting, giving you a more natural, softer light. Make sure the window is generally behind you when you're filming, as this will give you a balanced lighting that you're looking for. And be sure not to film with your subject sat in front of the window, as this will underexpose them and make them look darker. Let's talk about some of the equipment that's available to us. A pair of inexpensive studio box lights can be a very versatile solution to recreating natural light. These come in pairs for a good reason, and I'm going to show you why. In a dimly lit environment, you want to set up your lights at 45 degrees from the subject and equidistant from the subject. Reason being, this will balance out the light and give your subject a very natural, well-lit look. Now, these light boxes have a great diffuser, which means that you're not going to get sharp shadows using them. This is why they also work well as fill-in lights. In this space, the main light comes from high above us, like in many other buildings. This may cause shadows beneath the chin, and using a fill-in light can help you get rid of it. An alternative is to use a ring light, as it's ideal for lighting up just your face in a balanced way. It is also smaller, which means that it's a great setup when you're in a small room and you've got limited space, and this often works well if you're recording vlogs